Think air fryers save tons of calories? The truth, they often cut just 50 to 80 calories per serving compared to deep frying. That's barely a slice of bread. Air fryers have taken over kitchens as the healthy alternative to deep frying. But is this trendy gadget really changing our health or just our expectations? Many believe air frying is a guilt-free cooking method, but here's the problem. It's still frying. It still browns food using high heat, which can create harmful compounds. And most people still coat foods in oil, batter, or processed coatings. That healthy chicken wing still packed with sodium, fat, and carbs. Here's how air frying works. It circulates hot air around food to create a crispy texture. You do use less oil, but it's not oil-free, and some foods, like potatoes or breaded meats, can still form acrylamide, a compound linked to cancer, when cooked at high temps. Studies show that air fryers can still produce dangerous compounds if misused, especially with processed or starchy foods. And let's be real, we're not filling them with kale and broccoli. We're just swapping deep-fried junk for slightly crispier junk. Air fryers can be helpful if you use them wisely, but don't fall for the myth that they magically make everything healthy. The truth? It's not the machine, it's what you put in it. Want the truth behind trendy food myths? Follow for real health facts, not just kitchen fads. Drop A in the comments if you've ever air fried something questionable.